Hey guys and girls, welcome back to another beautiful video on this beautiful channel on this beautiful day. How you guys and girls doing? I've been taking a little break, so I haven't really been active on this game, but I remember what we were doing. We had this add tool, so as soon as you press left it adds tile in a stage, and it adds a tool select. The tool select, it sends it in, and the tool select can be a enemy spawner too, so that's not a tile. Technically, that's just a enemy spawner, right? So we don't want to do that. We want to remove this from add tile. Okay, add tile. Now if I am in enemy spawner, I have to add a add enemy spawner in stage. So I'm in stage. I'm gonna go in stage.h and I'm gonna make a new function called add enemy spawner and remove enemy spawner. So void add enemy spawner, and then the same thing, const enemy spawner es, and then unsigned row, unsigned column, and then yeah, I guess that's it. And the type obviously is just one. So when I add an enemy spawner, it's gonna be pretty simple. So void stage enemy add enemy spawner, and I'm just gonna do that, paste that quickly so that there we go. And then copy paste this beautiful amazing thing right there. There we go. So we don't need this, actually we don't need this if statement. So if enemy spawner at that position is null, then I'm just gonna add an enemy spawner, and then we're gonna have to see what we need in the constructor of enemy spawner. Now the position could just add enemy, because this stage doesn't have, then I'm gonna have to send in a bunch of, let's just say ES. All right, let's just say ES. I guess I could just do that. Boom. One overload. What if I just do ES? Whoops. ES. And then what else does it want? Oh, the index. Okay, so at that position add column, right? So it's just gonna push in an enemy spawner at that column. So that's great. That we know. And otherwise the enemy spawner is already at that position. So there we go. Now we need to make another function called remove tile. Oh, because they're background tiles as well. Okay, so go ahead and paste this here. I guess I want these to be in their orders like this, I guess. Add enemy spawner and then remove enemy spawner, and then add a unsigned row, column, row and column. That's good. Then we're just gonna copy this or cut it out, whoops, and put it below, and then void remove enemy spawner. Enemy spawner, please. Okay, const unsigned row, unsigned column. So there we go. That's how simple it is. And then we're just gonna copy the remove tile from this. We're just gonna copy the whole thing, and we're gonna customize it to our own needs. So gotta close this, add enemy spawner. It should work without any issues. So we're gonna do this. If the row and column blow out about stage, remove enemy spawner background. Okay, we have to remove all of this, and then do this. Whoops, and just do one of those, and boom, boom, boom. No enemy spawner in that position. Okay, so enemy spawner row is null, enemy spawner, what the hell? Why is this yellow? Good Lord have mercy. Oh, what the hell? What the hell? What the hell? What the hell? Spawners. Okay, whew. Okay, now add enemy spawner. There is no big deal. Remove enemy spawner. Alright, is null column. Okay, column no enemy spawner in that position. And then view. Yes, all that is fine. So now we can add enemy spawners. Now in game map maker, here we're gonna update, add, remove tiles. Alright, if you press it left, then we gotta make a new if statement. If this tool select equals tools stage tile type, I think it was. Okay, enemy spawner regular tile. So regular tile or the same thing, background tile, or background tile. If it's either regular tile or background tile, then we will go ahead and do this, and then we'll just send that in. That's fine. Oops, let's do that. Remove this. It seems like a good thing, just like this. So, and then else if this tool select equals stage tile type enemy spawner, then we just gotta kablam right here. Now it's having a bunch of bugs down there, I don't know why, but then we'll this stage add enemy spawner. Then how do I do it? Okay, enemy spawner. Okay, add enemy spawner. Enemy spawner. Just like that. Then we're gonna have to add some stuff in here. So what does enemy spawner constructor need? Position. Pos. Okay, this enemy position. Enemy this enemy type, this enemy level, this enemy level interval, this number of enemies, and then this spawn timer. Enemy timer max. Alright, that's good. So that's perfect. Too few arguments in. Okay, so mouse plus grid X, mouse plus Y. And then we're gonna have a mouse this. Let's just copy this. Okay, and then remove that. There we go. So that's how it's gonna be. That's how it's gonna be. Now, what are you crying about right now? What are you seriously crying about right now? What is this? What is this? What is this? What the hell are you crying? Oh my god. Expected a what? What the hell is this? What the hell is this? What the hell is this? Is something wrong in here? Let me just copy this in case of errors. And then let me just go ahead and remove all that I just did. Sorry about this, guys. I'm not gonna change anything. I'm just gonna see where the issue was. It might have been here. Okay, I didn't change anything, so it's not here. Now let's go back to how it was. Just gonna go back to how it was. Just like that. And then we gotta see what the hell we did. Stage That's fine. That's fine. No real issues here. What if I run this? See what the hell the problem is. See, you always get these weird problems. If it runs, I'm gonna be pissed the hell off. What the hell? What the hell, bro? Are you serious? It's like red. That is so weird. Okay, I'm gonna have to restart this whole thing later, and we'll have to see what happens. But at least it kind of works, I guess. Expected a declaration. Okay, you know what? I don't even know what the hell's going on. But for now, we're okay. So, because I can add and remove enemy spawner now. Enemy spawner. As I draw enemy spawner, it's gonna draw the shape. So if we just run this, which for some reason runs, and then can I just choose whatever? I can add a tile. I can add a background. That works. I can change that. What was the enemy spawner? Okay. Now it's not at the position I want it to be, because I think the draw thing here. Yeah. Shape.set position. This position dot x multiplied by wingman grid size, and then the same thing for y. Position dot y. I think that's the position, or is it the, because, well, it's a position. It should be the it shouldn't be the grid position. So add stage. As I add the enemy spawner, as I click, where is it? God damn it! Oh, update, add, remove tiles. As I add the enemy. Okay, so enemy position. What the hell? Okay. Okay, because it was 0, 0, that's why. Okay. Okay, wait, you know what? You know what? You know what? The position. You know what the position should be? Enemy position equals this mouse pos world. Alright, this mouse position world. Enemy pos. Alright, we gotta change some stuff, guys and girls. Enemy pos grid, just to make it clear. And as we enemy pos, it was 0, 0. Alright, 0, 0. That's good. Now as we this mouse pos grid mouse pos grid. Alright, to vector 2i. So that's a f. That's supposed to be an I then. There we go. And then that's supposed to take an I. So let's go into enemy spawner. Let's say it takes a vector 2i and say grid pos. Alright. Enemy spawner 2i grid pos, and then I grid position. It's good. Perfect, perfect. Then I just want to set the position, grid position, because then we, by multiplying it, we'll be making sure it's in the grid perfectly instead of being weird. Position equals grid pos. Good. Now in stage, add enemy spawner. That's good. Game map maker, as we add it, enemy position grid is mouse position grid, and then it will take care of everything itself, and we will multiply. So that's good. I could just send in mouse position right in there, but okay, whatever. You know what? It's cool. It's cool. We'll do some dirty programming in here. So regular background and then enemy spawner. Perfect. So that's good. Let's see if it lets me. Already an enemy spawner in that position. Okay, right click. We gotta be able to remove the enemy spawner as well. Now, Control Shift E. Type. What is the type? I don't remember. Enemy type 1, level 5, level interval 2, 10, timer max 50. And what if we add an enemy spawner right there? Now, cool. Alright, so now I'm gonna make sure we can print. As we hover, we'll see what the enemy spawner has, the stats of the enemy spawner, and they'll be fine. But what we're gonna do in this video, because it's too long, is I'm just gonna go ahead and do this. Stage remove tile. Now if, let's copy this whole thing. The whole thing we're gonna copy. Right there, until that. Okay, else if this tool select equals stage tile type enemy spawner, then we'll remove the enemy spawner. So this stage remove tile remove tile. What am I doing? Good Lord have mercy. I'm doing this mouse pause copy paste. Boom. That's what I'm doing. Bam. Alright, so too few arguments in call. In the cow. So what am I missing here? This is game. No, I have to go into stage. Remove enemy spawner. Roll call. Oh, whoops. Remove enemy spawner. There we go. Bam. So that's good. That's real good. That's real good. Alright, guys and girls. That's about it for now. Let's just see if we can remove an enemy spawner. And then we're going to fix the loading and the saving for the enemy spawners. And then we'll be able to spawn enemies wherever we want. And in any way we want. So like this. And then enemy spawner. Boom. Removed. No crashes. Nothing. Bunch of enemy spawners. Everything. Nothing else has been removed. Only the enemy spawners. Yeah. Alright, guys and girls. And the thing still works. The button still works. So that's good. Alright. Well, that's about it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Alright, keep learning, take care, and I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.